Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic, and today we're doing a quick size comparison between the Lindy 20 and the Lindy 26. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. I'm gonna try to keep this short and sweet, under 5 minutes. Lindy 20, Mini Lindy, Lindy 26, size comparison and differences, whatever, and similarities. So here, main difference. You want to look what they look like compared to side by side. Size, side by side, other side by side, backs, bottoms, tops. This is the second size. I think there's a 30 and a 34, and maybe there was a 40 at one point. 20, 26, 30, 34, that sounds right. Roughly. I know there's a bigger size and there's bigger sizes, 2 more bigger sizes. I don't know if they still continue to make them, but they definitely used to have bigger sizes. This is the smallest that they still make. This is the second. This is the medium they still make. How about that? Okay. Yay. Really the one and only main difference is the strap length. This has a longer strap that can be worn shoulder and crossbody. This can really only be worn shoulder unless you're very, very tiny. And even then, I don't think that would work. I'll insert a video of me doing them side by side. You can see what they look like side by side on me. Side by side comparison of the Lindy Mini 20 versus the 26. Main difference is that this has a longer strap. It's crossbody. You can wear it crossbody easily. This does not. It's shoulder, crook of elbow, hand, anything kind of that. You can obviously add another strap to this if you wanted to, like a twilly or something, but the main way it's supposed to be worn is like this. This is kind of what they look like here, here. I am 5'10", 5'9" and a half, 5'10" on a good day for reference. I guess you could also kind of wear it like that. So yeah, that way. That's pretty much it. Okay, Lindy loving. Let's do some Lindy love. This has 5 feet. This has 4. Other than that, the way they open and close and the way you wear them and use them, it's the same. You'll probably add a strap to this, like a twilly or something, if you want to make it longer, or you one of those other straps, like a chain strap that you can hook and hook. The other way, if you wanted to, and make this into an organizer, is you could put this Lindy 20, if you have both, you could put the Lindy 20 inside the 26 and kind of use it as your little organizer and have the strap stick out, close it, and then crossbody strap. Obviously it's not the same color. You have to have this, it's a lot of ifs. You have to have the same color and you wouldn't be able to really open it because as soon as you open it, it will come out. But if you wanted to wear it crossbody and use it, this is small enough to fit inside this comfortably. And if that's the way you want to wear it, or if you want to double it up and use it like that, you can use a strap. Kind of like what I've done with the Evelyns in the past. You can just put it in and then it takes up half the space. You can just open up the Lindy inside the Lindy and use that as a little, organizer. But then if you want to wear a crossbody, you can. You can't, if you want to get into it, you'd have to take it off, I think, because if you try to get into it now, it'll eventually just, slide off. I know a lot of people use this bag as or I've seen at least a lot of people use the 26 as kind of like an airport, like a personal, carry-on item. I've seen a couple of them in my time at the airport, in my few trips to the airport when I go. So yeah, other than that, pretty much the same. They open and close the same way. They both have 2 handles. The strap is not detachable from either of them. It's 4 feet and 5 feet, right? 2 pockets on the outside, 2 pockets on the inside for both. 1 big spacious compartment. 2 zippers on either side. 2 sangles. I think that's what they're called. I always forget. Both kind of slouch. They're different leathers, but that's pretty much it. Yay, Lindy's! Okay, I wanted to do this really quick before this one goes away. So I got this for my aunt, but she ended up not wanting it, so I have to take it back and return it now to the store. I don't want it. I mean, I like it, but I really don't need any more bags. And my credit card is so high this month. So we gotta, you know, we gotta start toning it down. We gotta shop a hold. We need to do a shop a hold. Okay, so anyway, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. And your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. This might be the shortest video I've ever made. I'm loving it. Short videos. Yay!